What up, YouTube? This is Cody and Zach. God damn it, Cody. This is Cody and Zach. This is our YouTube channel. We posted some... Cody. That's Cody. This is Zach. What are...
Hello?
This is Emil.
No.
AKA Rashawn.
No, it's over, but me and Ryan and Steve, the people, we're making a YouTube represent video, and it's going to be like 3 more minutes.
Guys, I'm only going to be here another 10 minutes, so let's get this show
What?
on the road.
Alright.
No, well, yeah, but I have it done.
Alright, anyways, we're gonna make a single called Rashawn Can Dance. And that's Rashawn. He's gonna be dancing. I'm gonna be recording. He's gonna be in the background too.
I'm leaving like 3 minutes.
So we'll have a musical guest star, Ryan Cagno. Kid's awesome. Alright, so check